Hey guys, we just hit 100,000 views on our last video, which is the JoJo Stone Ocean finale. We just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts for that video to be viral. We're doing more reaction videos like these, so make sure you hit subscribe and like on the Z Eggy's channel. Now we're going to be watching Chainsaw Man. The first two episodes, somebody didn't record my audio, so we're going to be showing this little, Charlie Chaplin compilation. So have fun with that, and other than that, thank you so much, guys. We hope you enjoy the video. I think I drank too much vodka for this. Damn. Oh, I would believe Power, to be honest. She's kind of hot. Damn, ass, bro. Fuck. Damn. Get Titties. You should do a compilation of just me saying titties. What are you getting? Sprite? 7-Up?
One Sprite cranberry.
What's Listen, if you name your cat Meowie, you deserve your cat to be fucking rolled over by a car. I'm just saying that. I'm sorry. That's like naming my dog Woofy. What? Oh! Deal! No, titties! Hey, what'd you do that for, bro? Oh! What'd you do that for, bro? I thought we were cool. Ah, what the fuck? Looks like my ex the fucking thing. Jesus Christ. Look how hot she is. Oh my. Rugs. Damn, what's up, baby? Damn. Why the fuck does he look like Ryuk, bro? God damn, the fucking ugly motherfucker. God damn. Yeah, eat that cat. Yeah. Yeah. I'm a dog person, so I don't really give a fuck about cats. Oh, what the? I don't know if I should be horny or confused. Oh, okay. All right. Bye. Yeah! Ooh. 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 Yeah! Leave, bitch! Yeah, fuck out of here! Oh my god, the budget! Oh! I cut them up too, fuck it! Oh, okay. Ooh. Damn, good thing he jumped off! Damn, what the fuck? What? That's right now! Oh, he pissed. No titties for him. You know, I give that maybe a 5 out of 10. Pretty decent. Okay, alright. That's good. I think I broke my mic. Oh, okay. That's nice. That's not sexy at all. I'm not aroused by it. Ow! 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 Yes! Yes! This is exactly what I was waiting for. This is exactly what I was waiting for. Ah! What happened? Oh, what the fuck is that? Oh, Masucita! Dude, they're sick titties! You're gonna fight that? Hey, grab one of the titties and just... like that. Oh no, you did. Oh, you did. Ew, his eyeballs. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Well, I guess we're fucked then. You got 3 times in the... What are you doing?
Cool.
What the fuck is that? What? Shit! Where the fuck did that come from? What? Where the fuck are you guys? Where the fuck did you come from? You're a chick? What the fuck are you doing? Why? What's the point of that doing an app? That's so fucking badass though. I want that power. You're a chick?
Just wait to see the later scenes.
What later scene are you fucking talking about, huh? Huh? We get to see her teeth? Just want to like gouge her eyes out. Like I don't even have any like grudge against her. It's just like her eyes are just. You know what I'm saying? Like,
No.
how much do you think the budget was for animating these scenes? Of just him just
Mappa
more than
is
the
trying to
chain.
get more than 3 hours of sleep.
Why am I so invested just watching the motherfucker do laundry? I say this is a great addition to the team. That's fine, I guess. Tities! Oh my god, it's you! Oh, it could have been me, not him!
Should have been me.
Is that fair? Oh my god! Oh! Oh, that is more than worth it. Oh. That's fine. Oh. Dog, he's just like me. Oh my.
Bro is me.
Tenshi.
I wanted to do it! Oh, the hentai artist is gonna make a fuck out of this one! Oh! God, these songs! Oh my god, Jesus.
Oh my god.
Oh my
Peter?
god.
Peter?